Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Every word Plato said about music seems to be true. Without music, our life would have been gloomy, unromantic, hopeless, and lifeless. Music brings life to parties, social gatherings, and outings, but it isn't easy to carry a prominent speaker when outing in the jungle, beach, or mountain. A perfect solution to this problem is a portable Bluetooth speaker. You're absolutely correct. We're going to talk about an excellent portable Bluetooth speaker today, the JBL Charge 3.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. JBL Charge 3 is a cool looking round-shaped waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker designed by the famous sound device manufacturer JBL. The speaker's exterior is made of high quality fabric and rubber that has made it a durable speaker. It comes with 6 different colors to choose from. The Bluetooth connectivity of the speaker is excellent and it covers a long range. Also, you could connect 3 smartphones or tablets at a time and play from whichever device you want. It's got an integrated microphone to use for voice calls, and the voice calling experience using JBL Charge 3 is excellent. When it comes to sound and music, JBL Charge 3 is an amazing device that delivers a premium sound that covers a frequency of 20 kHz. It delivers the signature sound of JBL and captures the low, mid, and high without significant dropping. It's got JBL Connect Plus option that will let you connect with as many JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers as you want and create a stereo sound. The IPX7 waterproof feature is impressive. It would protect the device underwater. Whether you use it in the rain or the snow, your speaker will remain unharmed. The speaker has got a 6000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery. It delivers uninterrupted music for more than 20 hours. You can charge your smartphone using USB charging cable and connect it with JBL Charge 3. It's time for us to look into the user reviews of this portable speaker and find out what customers are saying. The speaker has got 4.7 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 12,560 customer ratings. People like these portable speakers for their sound quality, bass quality, and battery life. Here are some comments from customers. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "I absolutely believe this to be the best speaker money can buy because of its good sound quality, but mainly because of how insanely tough the thing is." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "This is an amazing speaker. The bass is so good. The sound quality is the best we've had." That's all we have on the JBL Charge 3 portable Bluetooth speaker for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.